Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on a really exciting piece. Now this is the Rolex Celebration Dial Oyster Perpetual in the 36mm case size. Now I hope you're ready for this because this is a really iconic piece. Now, let me kind of unpack what I mean by that. So Rolex has a history of playing with colorful dials in the Oyster Perpetual collection specifically. In 2020, when they released new watches around April, they really shook things up by introducing a new series of bold monochromatic dials for this line. Now, as you can imagine, with something so bold and different, these became an instant hit. They were released in 3 case sizes, so 31, 36, and 41. And they came in 5 different colors: a candy pink dial, which we've unboxed on the Fashion Try-On, a turquoise blue, which we're about to unbox on the Try-On, so be sure to subscribe, a yellow, a green, and a coral red, which is more of like a very bold red. Now, given the different case sizes, these were suitable for both men and women. Now, fast forward a few years and they've now released this Celebration Dial. So the Celebration Dial was released in March of 2023 and it was unveiled during Watches of Wonder. Now, if you were paying attention, I mentioned all of the colors that you will end up seeing on the Celebration Dial. And what's really cool is that Rolex took all of the original OP colors in the 2020 line, so all these bold, brilliant colors, and combined them into the Celebration Dial into this beautiful bubble motif on the signature turquoise blue background. Now, of course, the turquoise blue watch has gone crazy because it is just an iconic color, mainly because of Tiffany. Everybody calls it the Tiffany blue watch. However, the Tiffany blue color is actually patented, and this is not in collaboration with Tiffany, so it's not the exact hue. In any case, it is absolutely stunning, and honestly, it's even more impressive in person. Now, what I think Rolex is doing with this collection is trying to appeal to a new, younger generation of new collectors who would appreciate both the long-standing brand reputation of Rolex, but also a little bit more experiential or risky colors. Now, I personally am so excited to see what they're going to do next. I wonder if they're going to keep with this similar celebration motif and introduce something else that combines all the colors. Maybe they'll pivot to a new set of colors or a new design altogether. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now let's talk about a few pro tips to note if you are in the market for one of these watches. Now, first and foremost, I have a very small women's wrist, and any model watch that I receive, I'm going to need to take out at least 3 links and then adjust it even more. So if you are purchasing this online from a secondhand retailer, please note you will have to go to an authenticated dealer or a Rolex dealer or a watch dealer in general to have some links removed. I don't think that you can do this on your own, or at least I would not advise it. Now let me interject with one little note. If you turn this upside down, the bubbles on the dial will not move. I do know that some might imagine, having just seen pictures, are these like movable pieces on the dial? No, it is a static image on the dial, so keep that in mind. Now back to pro tip number 2. I actually learned recently that when you are purchasing a watch secondhand, if you do purchase with the white tag, which you saw at the beginning of this video, included, it gives an extra level of authenticity. So when you're picking up a watch secondhand that you feel is special and unique, or you want to add a little bit more protection of authenticity or value as you hold the watch, be sure to pick up the option with the white tag. Now that is all for this unboxing. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.